In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix administrator permission on Windows 11 or 10. Click on the search bar at the bottom of the screen. Type File Explorer and select it from the search results. In the File Explorer, navigate to C drive. Open the Users folder and locate your user folder, for example, as your name, and right-click on it. Right-click on your user folder and select Properties from the context menu. And navigate to the Security tab. Click on Advanced button. In the Advanced Security Settings window, click on the Change link to next to the owner's name. Click on Advanced button and click on Find Now to search for your user account or username in the list. Select your username from the search results and click OK. Then check the box next to Replace Owner or Sub-Containers on Objects. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Next, close all open applications and open the search bar and type CMD and run it as an administrator. In the command prompt window, type net space user space your username. Enter to execute the command, and verify that the account is active status for the specified username. If it sets to yes, the account is enabled as an administrator. To disable administrator account, type net user your username /active no. And if you want to enable it, just replace the no with a yes. Once you've made the necessary changes, restart your computer to apply the settings. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.